Hello everybody, today we are going to have vocabulary in relation to jobs. So we can start. We are going to talk about all these jobs in a hospital, for example, or a clinic. For example, we have a dentist. They are responsible to take care of your teeth. We have a nurse, which is the assistant of the doctor. Okay, the doctor who is going to take care of you in case you get sick. We continue with artists. For example, we have an actor. An actor plays in movies or in dramas. We have dancers. They are the ones that with the body they recreate the movements of the music. We have a singer, who is the one that uses the vocal cords and their mouth to produce voices according to the music. We are going to continue now with a painter. A painter is the one that draws whatever type of pictures. We also have a composer responsible to write music, and a writer who is going to write poems, novels, or whatever type of paper compositions. Now, in construction, for example, we need an architect who designs whatever type of building, and we have the engineers who are the ones that build up constructions. We also have a scientist. They create, discover formulas, or in some cases even medicine. We got a bank clerk. These people are responsible of counting the money, for example, taking whatever type of activities in a bank. We also have a police officer. The police officer, sometimes they are the ones that direct the traffic and they arrest criminals. A lawyer who is going to defend a defendant to see if the person is guilty or if they can get a clear from a jury. We also have here the chef. They prepare the food at restaurants. So this is just a short vocabulary of jobs. Have a nice day. Bye bye.